Are you gonna say
why
something?
is it so dark? It's dark, Lauren. Don't do it here.
I'm back.
I'm not in this intro.
Back with another video. And basically, today we're going to Buck Island. It was a last minute decision. We went there for the family reunion. And, whoa, hold on, I need to turn this. This time we're going on a speedboat, so it'll be like way faster. And we have another guest.
What's up?
Well, I can't do it because my thing.
But we don't have as much people. We're not gonna. We only have like 7 people, so I think it'll be more fun. Wait, really? I don't know about that. But basically, I'll see you when we get on the boat.
I think it's around the corner.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Okay, so we're walking to the boat. Wait, are we? You guys get us drinks?
Got water?
And chips.
I'm drinking your beer.
Okay, I'll give you a sip.
Did you guys? So we're walking to the boat right now.
This boat goes cool.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm keeping that. I'm keeping that. We've been here once before, but these are the boats right here. He said, "Yes, sir." Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, this is the boat. This is a speedboat, like I said. No, you can't touch the boat, boy.
See, look, brother. That's always happening.
Are you excited? Your first time going to Buck Island? What?
Yeah, that's my first time.
Really?
Yeah, my parents never cared for it, so we never came. Yeah.
We just got on the boat, putting stuff away, shoes in there. Jamie right here, Alon's gonna sit here, Dell's here, and I'm right here. Just took off.
I'm putting this until we open a trash bag.
What is that?
It's just until we open the trash bag. It's just
Chilling on the.
It's right there.
Rosa.
If you guys spot another iguana, put it in the comments.
I know you passed it. Where?
I'm looking, wait.
Right
You
there.
gotta look carefully.
Right there.
See?
Yeah. It's right there. Right there. Is there one
Right there. I know, I got it. There's a lot of them.
For real. Yeah, they just
Wow.
right there. Yeah.
right there?
Right there.
That one, yeah.
Yeah. What?
Mushrooms hanging out those-
They just love these trees, don't they? So I'm gonna send the drone up. I don't have my GoPro because it's actually dead. I probably should have charged it, but like I said, this was last minute. But I'm gonna send the drone and get some good footage on the drone of Buck Island.